Do you always park across people's driveways, mate?
Not normally. Only when I'm picking my kids up.
And on the pavement as well?
Yeah. Perhaps you should get a job as a traffic warden.
No, I just never report you all to the police.
Oh, really?
Because I like doing that.
What for?
Parking on the pavement, obstruction of the different...
Well, you need to ring them up and tell them, report them for wasting police time. That might help, mightn't it? If you don't like living near a school, then why buy a house near a school?
Before the school was there. And the school ain't here, the school's over there.
That house wasn't here before that school was here.
Of course it was. This was built in '64.
No, it wasn't. That wasn't there before the school was there.
That's all rubbish, mate. I've got the deeds for it.
I've lived here all my life. I know when that was built and I know when that was built.
64, they built all these.
Yeah, did they? Built the whole... You was the first in Tunbridge Wells, was you?
Not in here, I wouldn't, but they built all this...
That house was not there before that school.
Yeah, that school is down in that road. Anyhow, I just enjoy doing you.
Yeah, good. Crack on.
It's exactly what I'm going to do.
Crack on. Don't forget, get the registration right.
I have got your registration right.
Yeah, good. Take it again. Knob.
I just want to talk to you as much trouble as possible.
Yeah, you're just a knob, mate. Just a knob.
You just pathetic.
Yeah, you're not though, are you?